Julia from Kuko for Design, and today I'd like to show you how I made this wall hanging for this narrow wall, and it's between our living room and dining room. You're wondering what I had hanging there before, it's this one. I have a tutorial for this big tassel on my blog and YouTube channel as well. I made a much larger version of it, which I will be linking to. You should check it out, but today I will be talking about this one. What's key for this Pipa Knot is that you buy the right type of rope. It's the first one that I bought. This one is just a bit too tightly wrapped. It's the same type of cotton, but if it's tightly wrapped, you can't get this nicely and tight like this. And I'm linking that rope too. This is a Pipa Knot, like I said, which is a Chinese instrument of Pipa. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right. I'm from Germany and I might pronounce things the wrong way. So this is resembling also a figure 8, which is the infinity symbol, and it's also meant to bring harmony into your house. I made this knob myself. I'm going to quickly address how to make that too, but you can hang this from whatever you would like. You can open the bottom, you can make it shorter. In my blog post, check that one out too. I have the measurements and some more photos, so if you don't find this video helpful enough, make sure you check out my blog post too. So let me show you what I did.